Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to fix an SQL error, which is error number 1139. So let's go localhost php myadmin. It's gonna be php myadmin. When you're there, I'm gonna click on here and look into my tables, and I'm trying to look for the table I want to deal with. So this is the table I want to deal with. Once you click that table, click on SQL. That's when you're gonna get your where you're gonna type your query. This is the my query. Remove the space and highlight everything. After that, I copy it just in case if I forget. So I click. When I try to run the query, it tells me error number 1139 got error unknown POSIX class name at offset 4 from regular expression. So yeah, this is the error I've got, guys. It's not something which is difficult to fix, but look into my codes here, my query, and compare with yours. If they look alike, then you're gonna fix it. Even if they don't look alike, I'm gonna give you tips on how to fix your problem. So what you're gonna do is like I realized that I put something in the character which is positioned in a wrong position. So if I remove it and run my query again, see, run my query again, you see the query runs 100%. So it simply means that was the character which was giving us a problem. So guys, don't forget please to subscribe, and please, if you have some questions, you can ask a question, and also please don't forget to share our content. So you saw the problem. So when you're using regular expressions, you have to be careful on how to position your characters in your query. So that's the only thing. So try to delete your query and reconstruct it like character by character, then you run it again. So if you find it doesn't work, try it again. Remove some characters which are not positioned in the right position. Also, if you find like maybe you still failing, go to Google and see exactly the query you're trying to query. How does it look like, and how do they construct it? So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. See you in the next video.